Here are 6 ways on how not to get split ends and have healthy hair. So first, do regular micro trims to keep your ends looking healthy and thick instead of it looking wispy and thin. Now, number 2, use oils on the bottom part of your hair to keep your hair soft, smooth, and manageable to prevent unwanted breakage and split ends. Number 3, use a hair towel. This will not only keep your hair from breakage, but also from frizz as well. Number 4, use hair masks on your hair once or twice a week. This will keep your hair healthy, especially if you are recovering from damage. Number 5 is to use a leave-on conditioner or use a hydrating spray for the hair to prevent your hair from dryness and keep it hydrated and healthy all day. Alright, number 6 is to use a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb to brush your hair to avoid ripping out your hair and cause breakage, because it's going to gently detangle your hair. If you all want more of this, follow me for more hair tips.